Hello friends, my name is Siddheshwar. As per our daily task, that is video generation of given topic. So today's topic is methods in Java. Before moving to the methods, uh, simply method is a methods meaning is a perform some task. So in the Java, the methods is a collection of data, collection of various statement, collection of code that is collected to do the some task, perform the some task as per the user requirement. um, then in the Java language, there is one method, that is main method, according to which all the methods are get executed as per the user requirement. There may be one or more method, and each and every method is very important in Java. um, or Method is actually method is actually it may be one or more. Each method is called by many times. It depends on user as well. And uh, this is a and so method is single method is can be called by many times. So our programmer having time is get reduced. Due to this is the big advantage of the method. So moving to the actual structure of the method, the the basic structure of the method is classified in 4 to 5 types. In that, first one is a method signature. In that, it is combination of method name and parameter list. Then next type is a method access modifiers, access specifiers also we can say. Access specifiers are basically, there are 4 types that are the public, private, then protected, then default. Talking about the public method, this method is accessible in all the classes. Then next access modifier is a public private modifier. This private modifier is can be accessible in any of the private access modifier is accessible only in the that class only, not other than that. Then next access modifier is a private protected access modifier. Protected access modifier is accessible within only the package in that they which is declared. Then next type is default access modifier. That is when user do not give any access modifier, then there is always a default access modifier. Let's move the if user does not uh, then next type is a return type. Then in the uh, return type, data type is declared. So in that data type, the value get returned by the that method, get from this that method. Then if there is no any return type, then the method is without return type. Then let's move to the next point, that is uh, name of method. Talking about name of method name, it should be start with meaningful or it should be verb. That is, it should it should be the task which we are going to perform on that class. This is basic actually the task that is which we are going to perform in that class. This is, and then next one is talking about the name of method. Then it should be start from the small letter, and it should if there are more than two words, then um, each and every word of next word is should be in capital letter. There should not any gap between these two words. Then uh, name should be as per the specific uh, given. And then talking about the next point, that is parameter list. Parameter list is always defined inside the parenthesis and separated by the comma. It contain data type. It may integer, float, whatever as per the user requirement. And then um, integer, float, and data type, and variables. Variable may be as per the username also. Then talking about name, method name should be unique or may not be unique. Means if suppose method is unique, and method so many methods are defined by the same name, then this is called as method overloading. But parameter list should be in variation. Means parameter list should be different, so we can compiler should access particular method to perform given task. Then talking about method body. Method body is a combination of given task. In that code is statement. So many statements are written and in the form of code. So method, when user call the method from main method, then the execution gets started of each and every statement uh, inside the method. Then talking about method type. There are two basic types of method. That is, first one is predefined method, and next one is user defined method. Predefined methods means which methods are actually known to the which are actually written inside the library of class. Means for example, we can say uh, compare to, then length. These are the um, um, these are the these are the predefined methods. And uh, predefined methods are perform task when user call it, and perform task is also hidden. So it start execution inside and give the return value as per the user requirement. Talking about non state user, next type is first is user defined method, and this, second one is a non user defined method. In that user predefined method and user defined method. User defined method, as per name suggested, method is defined by the user. So thank you for today's, that's it, guys.